ThymeBase has the best event budget out there. Let's take a look. To begin, head over to an event and click on the Budget tab. You can start from scratch or use our template. Let's start from scratch. First, add a group. Then hit Return or click the plus icon on the right. Next, let's add an expense. We'll add an estimate for now and hit Return to save. None of the fields are required. You can fill in as much or as little as you'd like. To make changes, click Edit, update the details, and hit Return. You can also set a payment schedule. Record payments you've already made, and add upcoming payments. You can add vendor details, notes, payment types, and attach files like receipts and invoices. As you build your budget, ThymeBase makes it easy to stay on top of the important details. Let's look at an example based on our budget template. At a glance, I can see the estimated as well as actual costs, along with my upcoming payments. I can look at an overall view by group or expand everything to see each expense. And I can open the expense item to see more details about it. ThymeBase's budget also has graphs to visualize key information by group. My favorite graph is estimated versus actual. It's a quick way to see exactly where you've overspent and where you have a surplus. That's it. If you ever have questions, just get in touch. Cheers.